Creating an AI influencer is easier than you think, even if you're a complete beginner. With the free tool DeepBrain AI, you can create a fully personalized and interactive virtual character that can be your AI influencer. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Visit DeepBrain AI's website. Open your browser and navigate to deepbrain.io. This platform allows you to create lifelike AI avatars equipped with realistic voices and dynamic expressions. Step 2. Sign up for a free account. Click the Try for Free button and sign up with your email. Create a strong password and verify your account via the email they'll send you. The free plan provides access to essential tools to get started. Step 3. Choose your AI avatar. After logging in, go to the Avatar Creator section. Here you can choose from pre-designed avatars or upload an image to create a custom look for your AI influencer. Adjust the avatar's features like skin tone, hairstyle, and outfit to suit your vision. Step 4. Customize personality and voice. DeepBrain AI offers advanced options to give your influencer a personality. You can script responses, choose a voice style from multiple languages and accents, and even set the tone of interactions, whether formal, friendly, or humorous. Step 5. Test and refine. Before sharing, use the platform's preview mode to see how your AI influencer behaves. Make tweaks to the personality or appearance until it's exactly how you envision it. Step 6. Share your AI influencer. Once your AI influencer is ready, export it for use on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You can even integrate it into chat-based interactions or use it for live engagements with audiences. And that's it. With DeepBrain AI, you've created your first AI influencer for free without any technical skills. This is your chance to explore the exciting world of AI and unleash your creativity. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides. Happy creating. Thanks for watching.